Okay, today I'm going to take you through the setup of Scratch Live using your SL3. So the first thing you want to do is to connect your CD players or turntables to the SL3. So you can see here we've got inputs 3 and 4 for the left deck and inputs 5 and 6 for the right deck. So for the left turntable, I'll now plug into inputs 3 and 4, and the right turntable I'll plug into inputs 5 and 6. You'll notice inputs 1 and 2, aux input. You can use those to record your mix if you wish. Simply take a secondary output from the mixer and feed into 1 and 2. Now on the back of the SL3, you'll see these 3 switches here, 3 dip switches. What they allow you to do is to select between a phono or line level signal. Now they run in the same order as your inputs here, so because we're using turntables today, that is 2 phono signals, so we'll switch these 2 switches up for phono and leave that one down for line. Now if you're using grounding cables, make sure you connect those to the grounding posts on the SL3, like so. Now the next step is to connect your mixer to the SL3. Now these work in the same way, outputs 3 and 4 for the left deck and 5 and 6 for the right deck. So line input on the first channel of the mixer, we will feed into 3 and 4, and the second line input you're using on the mixer, you will feed into 5 and 6. To output the sample player, you use auxiliary 1 and 2 and simply plug that into an aux in or line in on the mixer. So the next step is to connect your USB cable. Just plug that in here and plug the USB cable into a USB port on your computer. Now it's a good idea to connect your 7.5 VDC power supply so that the SL3 continues to be powered even when Scratch Live isn't running. Now, almost ready to go. So now you just need to launch Scratch Live and you should see a screen that looks like this. So now you're ready to move on to the next step to calibrate Scratch Live.